Hi guys, welcome back to Aaron Dixon. I got home from school a couple of minutes ago. Let's get started. Now we are going to be doing our Guess the Disney Song challenge today. Again. Part 2 though. I'm not good already, just remember it. I'm going to put it up where we were. We're up to. I'm going to put it up to Cinderella for now on. Because I don't know what it is. But first we've got some stuff to open. Not like toys, but I've got some new pajamas, some new slippers, which I've already kind of taken off the parts and the label and stuff. And I also got the new Lego Friends magazine, which is seals, like seeing seals and stuff. It's got a Lego seal. I haven't even got a Lego seal, so maybe I can make like a Lego beach. Yeah, I'll do that someday. So let's go ahead and open up our Lego toys. Sad that they don't come with any mini dolls like Mia or Olivia or Emma, or Drea or Stephanie. Yeah, they don't come. They're the 5 friends, which you didn't know. Let's tip out our pieces. Got some bits and bobs. These parts are attached to the sticking. Those are things like day to see at school. Now let's see the instructions. Here is this. The other one doesn't have the instructions, and this is on the front. Yeah, it doesn't have the instructions because it says extra toy. I have to go to LegoSteps.com. We're not going to do that. But it's so cute. Even though I'm not even though seals aren't my favourite animal, dogs are actually my favourite animal. Dogs. I like dogs, but I'm not a fan of seal, but that's so cute. That's pretty cute. There's pictures of seals in this because I'd had a look through it and then I kind of put the video and stuff. And it had an information part of seals, which I'll read a bit of the information. Now, let's see. Now first you need this piece. If you get this magazine, let me show you how to build it. Or maybe if you don't get the Lego Friends magazines, this is how you build it. Always bits get stuck when I'm doing this. If you don't know. there. Oh, here it is. So get this. Then you want to snap this part in the middle. And then you have to get this bit. And then put it here. So it looks. And then get these two water bits. One like this. To make it look like a beach. There we go, now I've got the water. And then you've got to attach a little flower of these two bits. Let's get the green and then the pink. Just so you know, I don't like the colour pink. I like blue, yellow, black, and purple, and red, and also yellow if you didn't know. One of my favourite colours. Comment down below what's your favourite colour, because they're my favourite colours. And we need the extra bit for later. It's because there's a little there's a coral island. That's why we need that. Oh, one of the bits just fell. Two bits. Now it's working. Then you want to get your flower, which I've already built. And oh wait, we missed out some bits. Now you need this. Lost a bit. I always lose bits when I'm building. Oh, I thought it was a 2-bit, but it's just a 1. So you'll need this nice smooth grey bit. Oh, it's meant to be a little house for the seal. It's pretty cool. And then you get this bit, which is the seal's meant to go on this. Go show you. See, seal's meant to go on that stud. And we're going to do this and then the Disney Song Challenge, just so you know. Am I going to be a little bit quicker? Let's be a bit speedy. We got speed, that's in our day. Gonna sing on that, gonna be like a superstar in the line of fight. Gonna be a rock star, gonna play all night. Gonna be who I am, gonna break my heart. Gonna be your heart, to break you apart. Gonna sing like a superstar, be like a who I am. I'm just a little kid, sitting out of my heart. Just a who I am, to get your heart. I'm gonna break you apart. Guys, we're not actually going to do the Lego. But I'll do one more video which will do that on it. I'll also open up the other Lego bag on this video because we won't have enough time to do that since we've already been filmed for 10 minutes. Because if you look how long you've been watching the video for, it's 10 minutes. A little there. That's a little hut. And then you've got to place the seal. There we go. It's nice. I should make a Lego beach and then use that with it. Since we've still got... Well, we've got cheese eyes, so we can't use them. Sorry. And for the next part, you'll need this one, which actually has spare. And then you will need this part. And then this smooth part and some sands. Wait, how did the sand go? This bit. Add that. Then a smooth bit. Perfect. This is a super duper small build. This bit, the coral, and then add just bits on it. A runway. The sands are on way. I'm going to have to rebuild it. Kids never do this. Well, now I can't build it back because I can't be bothered to get my tool out. I just can't be bothered. So I'm going to have to put here, even though it's not where you meant to put it. And then these bits, which are meant to be the coral bits. These parts are meant to be part of the coral. Make sure this bit stays. And that's our mini little island. Now we're going to build the other, which I know how to build already, so I don't need to look at the instructions. I'll show you, I'll read some information. Just sellotape, because they always have like sellotape on the top. Come down below if you want me to do another Lego video. This is the second comment. I said the favourite colours, and my favourite colours are, come down with your favourite colours, which I said earlier, and I just said comment down below if you want me to do more Lego videos, because I will. I might turn on the comment, and there's also a hamster in this one, so animals, and they'll have like a... Just find a video that's got comments on it. It's got like the comments like go through like a few of my videos. Even though I haven't got that many. But yeah. A little bit. Then side so come on. Okay, so I just kind of ripped it. Who cares? Not really. I don't really care. Just so you know, I might make some Lego stuff. I might make some Lego stuff for you guys, and then yeah. Let's start. So basically, I need to have a look at the picture, just so because I actually know how to do it. But am I going to look at it? Oh, I know how to build that. Yeah, so first you get the blue bit. You get this pink bit in the middle. Let's put this down. And then I think you need not there, mister. I'm going to have a look. Oh, this needs to complete. But what else is there? Like some colour bits. Some coloured bits. So let's do like a bit of like a pattern. Lego bricks. Gonna break your family's heart. Gonna sing, oh, I'm saying if you break your family's heart, hard, life is hard. What's up, what's down, what's in it all about? Your mom's gonna cry if you make her mad. Make a mess in your house, cry all you want. Your mom won't help if you don't know. Crying is what you say, and care. I'll do that stay up again. That's good. Wait, I don't think the the pool party in the pool ring doesn't stay up. I don't think it did. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't stay up. I don't think. Wait, it did. Actually did stay up. I've got one of these already, but I don't mind getting that thing set. It had like the little hamster, which is here, and that hamster just like kind of like peeked through like this. See, cheeky hamster. Then there was a lightsaber down here, and it also came with a surfboard, an oar, and something else, which I'm going to build. You won't know who this is. You won't know what it is actually. And this also came with, I know what its name is. It's a robot, but I know what its name is. Oh, it's Olivia's robot. Just gotta build its bottom. The bottom of the robot has all wheels to keep it going around. Pieces. And another hand, but it's meant to hold the oar if you didn't know. If you don't know, it's meant to hold the oar. And then this pink bit. And then that. And then that. Makes them tell us stick. Which kind of keeps them up a bit. And this is this, and it also came with Zobo the robot. This is Zobo. And he's a robot. This is Olivia's robot. He's a closer look at him. And here's I'm going to quickly show you the seals on the information page. We've got to be quick because... Oh yeah, I found like 2 kind of cute looking seals. I found this seal. That is a real life seal. Best shot. And that's a sea lion. What? I'll be there in a minute. Jeez. I'll be there in a minute. Comment. Wait, roll that. And I thought that was stupid. Isn't that Seal from The Little Mermaid 2? Which I've forgotten what its name is. Wheels. Oh. I'll be there in a minute! My tea is. Oh, here it is. Sassy Silver. Information. So I got this one. When I first saw it, it was pretty cute. Cute. And this ugly one. But look, here's some information. This is about this one. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. So, bye. My dad's an idiot. He's actually bye.